Hi, and welcome to Case Club. Today, we'll be reviewing our Glock 34 pistol case. It's designed to hold your Glock 34 and 3 extra magazines. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Removing the pistol foam plug will immediately fit a Glock 34. You will note we have added a finger hole on the side of the grip so the gun can safely be removed without getting close to the trigger. Our case features customizable foam with perforated sections that can accommodate your gun with or without underbarrel attachments or optics. To fit any of these features, you'll need to connect the perforations in these sections with a knife and remove them. Just in case you change your attachments later, save all your plugs and simply reinsert them back into the case to keep the fit snug. Hot glue can be used to permanently glue the foam back in place. The case also has 2 magazine cutouts that can hold a total of 3 mags plus 1 in the gun if you choose. The cutout in the bottom left can hold 2 magazines stacked on top of each other. For excess magazine capacity, we have included a cutout below the grip which can hold 1 more spare mag. On top of that, the pistol cutout includes a magazine relief so a mag can also be left in the gun for a total capacity of 4. The case is guaranteed for life and is airline approved for checked luggage. It is legal to transport container in all 50 states. We recommend this case for camping, off-roading, vehicle storage, and airline travel.
Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck foam. Unlike Pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam.
And the foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane whose ridges help secure everything in place when the case is closed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal which makes the case 100% waterproof. So let's put it to the test. First, we'll put in a paper towel to show that no water gets in. Perfectly dry. The case features 2 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes for added security, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins that are one way so that they cannot be tapped out, feet so the case can stand upright on its own, a handle that folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, exterior case ribs to help deflect impact and that also make the case stackable if you have more than one. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.